Hello traders, welcome to today's market analysis. So today we have not important news releases. However, today the market starts to move along with a lot of volume. So in all the currency pairs, the market starts to move on. So if you look out the currency pairs, you might see a lot of movements happening over there. So let's see the market opportunities from major currency pair. So first we need to check about the market, whether we have an important news releases on this week or not, because next week Monday Trump is going to inaugurate at the same time that we are speaking right now. So due to Trump inauguration, we can expect a lot of a movement in the markets, a lot of volatility and a lot of volume we can expect in the market. However, in the Los Angeles, we had a fire accident. That fire accident is so huge than the normal time in the history. So due to that, some of the assets over there in the US has been lost in that accident. However, I believe that they all have been insured, so there will be not a big loss of the economy at all, even though it just drags. Even though it drags down some part of, which is the Hollywood part. So we should have to wait and see what Trump is gonna do on next week. So what will be the first sign that Trump is going to do? So mostly we believe that Trump is gonna be against foreigners living in US. So Trump want them to go out. So I think that would be the first sign which will happen by next week, or else within this month Trump will pass all those things because he is very bold business guy, and he's actually like Trump is actually good for US people because he care only about his people, which is really good as a patriotic US citizen. So he believed that. So you can see him on his talks. Even though he is aggressive, he speaks the truth. He speaks the truth, like whatever he want to speak. He just speak without any kind of fear. I won't say that in the Trump perspective, I'm not a Trump guy, but still I like Trump because of his patriotism and caring of his people that none of the president had done. And even though like the war, the recent situation like war times, so Trump had made a bold statement that the war should have to be ended very soon. Otherwise, he will force to end it. But he will try to make a win-win situation or the win-only situation for US. So, so after Trump inauguration, we are going to see a huge impact on all the markets, not only the currency, Forex or Bitcoin or commodity. All the markets we are going to see a big impact. So let's wait and see. So Monday we have I think we don't have much more news releases. Monday, Tuesday, tomorrow we have Japanese yen, CFTC, Japanese yen current account statement. It's like it won't have much more impact. So Swiss franc have PPI, and USD have core PPI. So PPI might give a bigger, small impact, but won't be much more bigger. However, the pound CPI on Wednesday will have a bigger impact, and also the core CPI on US Wednesday, US core CPI, that will definitely have a bigger impact. So we need to wait and see what kind of movement going to happen, and the CPI consumer price index of US and pound is going to impact the pound and the US market anyway. On Thursday, we have a trade balance report and core retail sales and initial jobless claim. Friday we have news on Euro CPI. So this week is a kind of CPI week. So we can expect good movements on all the pairs, especially after US CPI. Or else wait for the Trump inauguration, then you can see a huge movement on the markets. So now let's see the technical market opportunities just available for to trade on this week. So first Euro USD, Euro USD is moving down and a downtrend, strong downtrend. So we are expecting a bigger fall on Euro USD anyway, because just now Euro USD broke the support. I think it just broke the support and starts to fall continuously. So I believe Euro USD might give some kind of correction, but it won't be huge. But maybe some kind of correction is possible on Euro USD. And Pound USD, it's also the same. Pound USD is also moving down. Australian US dollar have chances to fall again. So what we can expect on with the Australian dollar is, so we can expect Australian USD to fall down continuously. So Australian USD down because it just broke the support. However, we should have to be aware that it might have a chance to give a correction also. Even though it had a chance to give a correction, we should have to wait for the confirmation. We should not simply buy or sell, we should have to wait for the confirmation. So Australian USD is good for selling. So if you ask me whether any other pair is good for selling, I could say, yep, Australian USD had more chances to go down, have more chances to fall. And New Zealand USD already started to fall. So US dollar is very strong anyway. Japanese yen is just trying to make a correction. Gold starts to fall today. I think gold have chances to move in a channel, a kind of channel, or else I think the gold is at the top. It might have chance to fall more. Silver starts to fall now. So I think silver is good to sell. Might be, but not 100% sure. Silver will fall or not. 100% sure about that. So I need to wait for the silver because it might have chance to retest, considered as the retest area, and then it might have chance to move up. USD Swiss franc, it is at a resistance level, so don't buy for sell. Just wait for the confirmation before buying or selling. You should have to wait. And pound Swiss franc it is falling down continuously. It just fell down to the support. Pound Swiss franc. USD Canadian at the high, near to the high, and USD yen. USD yen is also moving up. Still in a strong uptrend. Pound out starts to fall because the pound is very weak, so that's why it starts to fall. And pound Canadian dollar broke the high and low, and it starts to fall towards the support, so we can expect more downward movement on pound CAD. So we should have to wait and see whether pound CAD is gonna move up or down from the support. And Euro Canadian is also moving down. So Euro Canadian has also start to move down. Euro CAD, a nice fall. Euro Canadian is making a nice fall. Even if it try to move up, we should have to keep our stop loss around this price to sell Euro CAD. Euro Pound, it was moving up very nicely from the support. One more downward movement is possible. However, I think it is possible for Euro Pound to move up to make one more candle, because Euro Pound closes above this high. So it shows that Euro Pound try to move up. So Euro Pound is good for buying. Only Euro Pound, not other Euro pairs. Only Euro Pound. So Euro New Zealand. Oh, that is Euro New Zealand is clearly moving in a kind of channel. I think it is moving in a channel. Euro New Zealand. New Zealand might have chance to but it's still, I think New Zealand have a chance to move down. Even if you buy, it might have a chance to break this level. It can reach the support again. Pound New Zealand, wow, nice fall. Nice, very nice fall on Pound New Zealand. So look like New Zealand, not New Zealand is stronger. Look like Pound is so weak at the moment. So never buy a pound until Trump inauguration. For next 1 or 2 months, don't buy pound. Keep selling the pound. So pound is all going to fall free because pound is so weak fundamentally. And Australia Canadian reaches the horizontal support. However, we can expect some more downward movement. It's possible. Australia Canadian. And Australia New Zealand is still moving in an ascending channel, so there are more chances to move up. So Australia Canadian, look like the bull candle turned into a bear candle. It's a monthly candle, so it looks like Australia Canadian is going to fall more. And Euro Canadian, I believe that Euro Canadian will make a free fall very soon. And Bitcoin, nice to see the Bitcoin. It just fell towards 90,600. So nice to see Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still at the support, so don't think that Bitcoin is going to fall more. Just wait. Please be patient. Just wait for the Bitcoin, the candle to get closed. Even the daily candle to get closed. If it closes below 85,000, then we can expect some more bigger correction, and then one more up. So Bitcoin is still in an uptrend. Don't underestimate Bitcoin that it is gonna fall more. So it is still in an uptrend. Only temporarily, it is just making a correction. After the Trump victory, it just made a big rally from 68,000 to 108,000. So around $40,000 rise, which is around, like, I think almost nearly double. So nobody expect that kind of movement after Trump victory, and also due to Elon Musk support towards the Trump. So these are all the things which is causing the Bitcoin to move up. But fortunately, everybody knows that why the markets are moving through the mainstream and social media. So Euro Swiss franc is trying to move down, and Australian Swiss franc it might have chance to fall more. I think Australian Swiss franc. Canadian Swiss franc, I'm not sure because it have more chances to move up. Canadian Swiss franc because Canadian dollar anytime it might give a correction because of USD Canadian and USD Canadian and USD Swiss franc. That's exactly at the resistance. I think even the silver price looks like it is near to the high low. We should have to wait and see. Australia Canadian, Euro Canadian, Pound CAD. Pound CAD is the only pair which is falling a lot compared to all of the pairs. Pound, Japanese yen, and Australian JPY. Australian JPY, it looks like it was just trying to go up and down. So Australian JPY, we should have to do a deep analysis on this pair, Australian JPY. Gold, I think gold is gonna fall more compared to all the pairs. Gold looks like it is going to fall more. Gold is quite at the symmetrical area, so gold might have more chances to fall. I think we can sell gold if you want to sell gold. Yeah, it is good to sell gold. And Canadian JPY, it reaches the support, so we can expect the Canadian JPY to rise up again. It is possible because still Canadian JPY is in uptrend. Even the higher time frame, Canadian JPY is in a strong uptrend. So if you look at that, otherwise Canadian JPY might give some correction between up and down movement. So it is just simply moving between the resistance and support. So you need to wait. And Australian JPY, Swiss franc, Japanese yen. So Swiss franc, Japanese yen, it is simply standing towards the support. I think it reaches 50% level. Yeah, around 60%. So we can expect some correction. So go with the trend, never trade against the trend. Just go with the trend. USD yen. Australian yen, I'm not sure about the Australian yen. However, Australian USD, I believe Australian USD have more. Oh, nice to see Euro Australian just broke the support, trying to fall. That's quite nice to see. Pound out. It's going to reach the 60 level, then we can expect some correction. Pound out. I think this week the US dollar is going to become so strong, no matter whatever happens. I think US dollar is getting so strong because of the Trump inauguration. So even you can see the Bitcoin is falling now. And New Zealand USD, it is just moving down. Silver is also going to fall more. Not sure about the Euro USD and all the pairs, but this one looks like it's gonna fall more.